Good morning, sir. My name is V.Mahesh. I am from 3rd BTech in SRIT College from Mechanical Engineering. Today we have to discuss about lapping, honing and broaching comparisons in the subject of the machining process. Introduction to lapping, honing, broaching and comparisons. Now we have to introduction. The surface finishing process. Lapping, honing and broaching are essential manufacturing process used to improve the surface quality and precision of machined parts. These processes are chosen based on the desired surface finish and accuracy and material of the properties. Understanding their differences and applications help optimize of the manufacturing efficiency and their product of the quality. What is lapping? Now we have to see what is lapping. The lapping is a process that involves rubbing two surfaces together with an abrasive slurry achieve a fine surface finish. It is also known as primarily used for achieving high dimensional accuracy and mirror-like finishes on flat of the cylindrical surfaces. These processes often employed of the manufacture of precision complete components like gauges, dies and optical lenses. In the right side we have to see the diagram of the lapping process. In upper side we have to apply the force on the slurry. The slurry we can see the pattern of the polish pad. Lapping process equipment. Lapping can be performed manually or with automated machines that can be hold workpiece and lap in plate of the place. Abrasive slurry consisting a fine abrasive suspended in a liquid used to remove small amount of material. The process typically involves continuous or reciprocating motion to ensure uniform material removal and surface finish also. Now we have to see about the what is honing. Honing is a controlled abrasive machining process used to improve the geometric form, the form of the surface finish of holes and cylindrical surfaces. It is commonly used for enlarging the finishing and achieving tight tolerances in bores. Honing can produce very precise dimensions and excellent surface quality, often necessary for engine cylinders and hydraulic components. In the right side we have to see the diagram. In diagram it is the enlarging the holes and all are very useful equipments of the honing. Honing process equipments. Honing involves in the use of the honing tool fitted with an abrasive stones or sticks that are oscillates or rotate within the workpiece. This process is usually performed within the coolant to reduce heat and remove debris. It will allow also for correction of the surface irregularities and creation of the specific surface roughness suitable for sealing wear resistance of the fans or all other equipments. Now we have to see what is broaching. And a broaching is a machining process that also used to tooth tool called a broach to remove the material in a single or multi phases. It is used for multi phases of the broaching tool. It is primarily used for the producing the complex shapes, keyways, internal profiles and holes with high precisions. Broaching can be performed on internal or external surfaces depending on the workpiece and their tool designs. Broaching process equipments. Broaching machines are to be vertical or horizontal with the workpiece either stationary on or moving through their broach. The process involves the pushing or pulling broach through or over the workpiece to achieve their desired shape. Broaching is highly efficient or high volume production of complex internal and external features with tight tolerances. It is used for high-end internal and external tolerances. Types of broaches of the process is we have to see them right side. Is internal broaching is internal side. External broaching is external side or outer side, also called as surface broaching, and rotary broaching is also used for motors and pumps, and linear broaching. Comparisons of the lapping, honing and broaching. Lapping provides the finest of the surface finish and highest dimensional accuracy for suitable of the precision surfaces. Honing is the ideal finishing of the enlarging holes with tight tolerances and smooth surface finishes. Broaching is best suited for the rapid removal of the material to create the complex shapes and internal features and high volume productions. Applications of the select criteria of their lapping, honing, and broaching of three equipments. The choice of the among lapping, honing, and broaching depends on the specific surfaces finish and accuracy and shape requirements. Of their requirements, we can to see use the of the lapping or broaching or honing. Lapping is preferred to for ultra fine finishes on flat or cylindrical surfaces. Honing is used to selected for the precision bores, whilst broaching is used for shaping complex and internal geometry. All the efficiencies. References we have to guidance to take their manufacturing process of the subjects from material science by Shirov Kalpazigan of Steven R.C. Scammit, Metal Cutting Theory and Practice by K. Kant, Modern Manufacturing by P. N. Rao. This is references about the manufacturing process and metal cutting theory of the practices and other reference of the books. Thank you for guide. Thank you for giving this opportunity for golden opportunity, sir.